Hello there. I want to show you guys something that I found. It's actually an app that will actually speed up adding reminders to Apple's default reminders app. Give you an example. If we go in here to Apple's reminders app, you'll notice that there's a lot of steps just to create your reminder. So if I go into new reminder, you have to put in here the text. Then it asks you on the bottom what you want to choose, medium or what folder. You have to hit the I, and then you have to go through all these steps just to get the reminder set. So it gives you the default date, but it doesn't give you a time. You have to select that. And it takes a lot of steps just to get a reminder set. So what I'm going to show you guys today is an app called RemindMeFaster, and it helps you add all this stuff in one page. And I like that now. It's made my reminders much faster. So this is the app right here called RemindMeFaster. And basically everything is here. You got it all in one page. So you click on up here on the top, you're going to get all your reminder folders exactly the way you have it set up. You can open the reminders app here on the bottom. Here you have your settings. You can change all your settings here. You can even pay for some in-app purchases if you want to. But what I like is you can put in here, let's say we want to do test, for example. And I can put a note underneath it if I want to. I have preset times if I want to use them. I also have preset 1 hour, plus an hour, plus 6, plus 24. This little button right here will go ahead and send it to the reminders app. This one will give you location, and then this one here will give you the priority. So you can set the priority how you want it. Then what I like here, and this is the fastest part, is you click on this little calendar icon. You can now select the date and select the time and confirm. And boom, you're done. It is that simple. You have everything here. You have your labels or your list. You have your text. You have here the date, time it's going to remind you. You click that little arrow and boom, it sends it to the reminders app and you're done. Very simple, very quick. That's why they call it RemindMeFaster. So if you're someone that uses Apple Reminders, which I kind of recommend because it's included with all your phones, this is a free app. You can pay for the in-app purchases if you want to. And it will definitely speed up your reminders and getting your reminders. I know you can use Siri if you want to, but this is another way to do it by hand. And I've been able to whip through all my reminders per week, months, whatever I want to do. And it's very fast. And I mean, you go in here in the calendar, you can go all the way through all the months. You can set your reminders all the way through to the end of the year if you want to. So I recommend this app. I definitely like it as long as it's in the App Store and unless Apple comes up with an easier way to do it. This is a great way to speed up your input to your reminders app. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you got any questions on this in the comments, and I will catch you guys later with more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.